Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make macarons without eggs. We'll explore an easy method to create these delicate treats using aquafaba, the liquid from canned chickpeas, as a fantastic egg white substitute. This approach simplifies the process, allowing you to achieve beautiful, stable macaron shells with that signature foot without any animal products. Get ready to bake some impressive and delicious eggless macarons. First, let's prepare our aquafaba meringue, which is the heart of eggless macarons. You'll need about 100 milliliters of aquafaba, the liquid from a can of chickpeas. Whip this with a quarter teaspoon of cream of tartar until it forms stiff, glossy peaks. Then, slowly incorporate 150 grams of powdered sugar, ensuring your meringue is firm and ready to hold its shape for perfect macaron shells. Now for the macaronage, the crucial step of folding your dry ingredients into the meringue. Carefully combine 150 grams of almond flour and 150 grams of powdered sugar with your aquafaba meringue. Mix until the batter flows slowly, like molten lava, off your spatula. Then, pipe uniform 2-inch circles onto parchment paper, leaving about 1 inch between each macaron for proper air circulation. After piping, let your macarons rest for about 30 minutes until a slight skin forms, which helps create the foot. Bake them at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, rotating halfway through. Once cooled, fill them with your favorite ganache or buttercream. For more amazing recipes and baking tips, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade eggless macarons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.